Improve acid reflux with these 10 natural herbs. Welcome to today's video. We found that many people struggle with acid reflux daily, often describing it as a mini volcano erupting in their chest. Some share how they can no longer enjoy their favorite meals, haunted by the burning pain in their chest or the sour discomfort in their throat after eating. These issues don't just disrupt life, they leave people feeling drained and rob them of the joy of eating. If left unaddressed, this condition can lead to persistent pain that wears down your energy and vitality day and night. Over time, treatment costs can skyrocket, and you might find yourself relying on family members for care. Not only does your health suffer, but the moments of joy with your loved ones also dwindle. Catching up with friends may become nothing more than a distant dream. But did you know the solution to this problem doesn't always lie in expensive medications or complex treatments? Nature has blessed us with mighty herbal warriors that can soothe your stomach, balance acid levels, and help you reclaim the comfort you deserve. We've also realized that many people don't know that some helpers might already be sitting on their kitchen shelves. Familiar herbs like ginger, turmeric, and slippery elm ease acid reflux and promote overall health. Today's post will introduce the 10 best herbs to help you beat acid reflux. These natural, easy-to-apply remedies promise to bring you relief and comfort. Follow along, and by the end of this article, you'll have simple yet highly effective tips to say goodbye to acid reflux for good. Let's get started. Let's start with the most essential herb to conquer acid reflux: honey. Honey, the golden, glistening liquid often used in tea or spread on toast, provides natural sweetness and serves as a silent savior for those battling acid reflux. With its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, honey acts like a natural shield, protecting the esophagus from the harsh effects of stomach acid. Consuming honey forms a protective layer over the esophageal lining, reducing irritation caused by acid. Additionally, honey has a neutralizing effect on stomach acid, quickly alleviating the burning sensation and heartburn. It's also packed with antioxidants, which improve digestive health and support the immune system, leaving you feeling light and comfortable after meals. Using honey is incredibly simple and convenient. Each day, take a spoonful of pure honey, mix it with warm water and a few drops of lemon for a gentle morning drink, or stir it into a cup of chamomile tea to enhance flavor and stomach-soothing benefits. If you prefer a sweet breakfast, spread honey on whole grain toast or enjoy it with plain yogurt. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to spread these valuable insights to more people. We're here to accompany you to better health and well-being. The second herb to help you alleviate acid reflux symptoms is aloe vera. Aloe vera, often called a miracle plant in healthcare, is renowned for its soothing and healing properties. While widely used in skincare, aloe vera is also a fantastic natural remedy for reducing acid reflux symptoms. With its cooling and anti-inflammatory effects, aloe vera juice can quickly soothe the esophageal lining irritated by acid, providing almost immediate relief. Aloe vera juice acts as a protective barrier, shielding the esophageal lining against stomach acid. It also helps balance the stomach's natural acidity, improving digestion and preventing acid reflux. Additionally, aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect the mucosa, and aid cell regeneration. To harness the benefits of aloe vera, you can drink pure aloe vera juice. Start with about 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, before meals, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Make sure to choose aloe vera juice free from added sugars or preservatives for maximum effectiveness. You can also mix it with some water or coconut water to enhance the flavor and make drinking more enjoyable. And if you'd like us to create more videos on specific topics, leave a yes in the comments. Let us know the issues you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Next, we have ginger. Ginger, a familiar spice with its distinctive spicy warmth, not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also serves as a silent hero in protecting your stomach. With anti-inflammatory properties, digestive support, and ease of nausea, ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues, particularly acid reflux. The way ginger works is simple, yet highly effective. Its natural compounds, such as gingerol and shogaol, reduce inflammation and relax smooth muscles in the digestive tract, thereby relieving pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, a primary cause of acid reflux. Ginger also aids the stomach in digesting food faster, minimizing the risk of food buildup that can lead to reflux. Additionally, its soothing effect on nausea relieves even in moments of discomfort. Using ginger is both versatile and straightforward. You can steep a small piece of fresh ginger in hot water to make tea, adding a bit of honey and a few drops of lemon for extra flavor. If you enjoy smoothies, blend fresh ginger with fruits like bananas and pineapples to create a delicious and digestion-friendly drink. Finely chopped or thinly sliced ginger can also be added to stir-fries, soups, or marinades to enhance taste and health benefits. A tiny amount of ginger daily, around 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger or 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger, delivers significant benefits. Fourth, talk about a soothing tea for your stomach, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has long been a comforting beverage in many households with its gentle aroma and subtle sweetness. But beyond its calming exterior, chamomile is a trusted ally in alleviating the symptoms of acid reflux. Known for its stress-relieving and digestive-supporting properties, chamomile tea helps you relax and naturally balances stomach acid. Chamomile is a natural remedy to reduce stress, one of the common triggers for increased stomach acid production. When you sip on a cup of chamomile tea, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds work to soothe the esophageal lining irritated by acid while supporting stomach acid balance. Additionally, chamomile tea promotes better sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed and relaxed, helping you start or end your day in the most peaceful way possible. To maximize chamomile tea's benefits, steep 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags or a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a touch of honey to enhance the flavor and its calming effects. For a creative twist, try pairing chamomile with a few slices of ginger or a squeeze of lemon juice. This combination is delicious and highly effective for digestion. Drinking chamomile tea in the evening before bed is a perfect way to relax your body and give your stomach the rest it deserves after a long day. Fifth on our list is baking soda. Baking soda, the white powder commonly used for baking or household cleaning, is a highly effective savior in managing acid reflux. Simple, affordable, and found in almost every household, baking soda provides a quick and immediate way to neutralize stomach acid and bring instant relief. The mechanism of baking soda is straightforward yet powerful. When dissolved in water and consumed, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, interacts with stomach acid, triggering a chemical reaction that releases carbon dioxide gas. This reaction neutralizes the acid, alleviating the burning sensation and discomfort in the esophagus. Additionally, baking soda helps reduce pressure in the stomach, preventing acid from refluxing. To use baking soda, dissolve half a teaspoon of the powder in warm water, about 240 milliliters, and stir until fully dissolved. Sip slowly to relieve symptoms quickly. However, baking soda should only be used for emergency relief, not as a daily solution, as overuse can lead to electrolyte imbalances and increase the risk of bloating. Remember that baking soda is a temporary fix, not a long-term treatment substitute. If you frequently experience acid reflux, consider combining baking soda use with lifestyle and dietary changes to better manage your condition. The sixth on the list is turmeric. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue and warm, earthy flavor, is not just a familiar spice in cooking, but is also regarded as a superfood with remarkable health benefits. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and digestive support have made it a popular choice in supplements and organic food products in the United States. But did you know turmeric is also a valuable ally in reducing acid reflux? The secret ingredient behind turmeric's potency is curcumin, a natural compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps soothe inflammation in the esophagus and stomach lining, reducing irritation caused by acid. Additionally, it aids in balancing stomach acid and promoting digestion, allowing food to move through the stomach more efficiently. This in turn reduces pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, the leading cause of acid reflux. To use turmeric, take about 500 to 1,000 milligrams of turmeric extract daily, or consume 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric works best when paired with a pinch of black pepper, as piperine in black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. There are many ways to incorporate turmeric into your routine. Golden milk. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm milk or almond milk. Add a bit of honey and a pinch of black pepper for a soothing drink that calms the stomach. Smoothies. Add a small amount of turmeric powder to banana or pineapple smoothies for a delicious and digestive-friendly treat. Daily meals. Turmeric can be added to soups, stews, or marinades to enhance flavor and health benefits. Next, we have bananas. Bananas, the familiar fruit you can easily find in any store or kitchen, are a gentle friend to your stomach. With their natural acid-neutralizing properties, bananas help soothe the esophagus lining and quickly reduce the burning and discomfort caused by acid reflux. Thanks to their mildly alkaline pH, bananas naturally balance excess stomach acid. Moreover, the soluble fiber in bananas, especially pectin, supports efficient digestion by helping food pass through the stomach faster, reducing pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, the main culprit of acid reflux. Bananas are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral that balances electrolytes and supports muscle function, including the LES. This combination alleviates symptoms and protects the stomach from future reflux episodes. Using bananas is incredibly simple. To calm your stomach, you can eat a ripe banana as a light snack during the day or after a meal. For a creative twist, try making a banana smoothie by blending bananas with coconut water or almond milk and adding a bit of ginger or turmeric to enhance digestive benefits. Even soft, lightly sweetened banana bread is an ideal choice for acid reflux patients. 8th on our list is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, tiny but mighty, have long been used as a natural remedy to reduce bloating and support digestion. With their gentle aroma, fennel seeds not only enhance the flavor of dishes, but also serve as an extraordinary savior when you're feeling discomfort from acid reflux. Fennel seeds contain natural compounds like anethole, which have antispasmodic properties. These help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, thereby reducing pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES. This, in turn, minimizes the chances of acid reflux. Additionally, fennel seeds help alleviate bloating and indigestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, enabling food to be digested more quickly and efficiently. To use fennel seeds, you can chew a small teaspoon of seeds directly after meals, a common practice in many parts of the world to soothe the stomach. If chewing isn't your preference, make fennel seed tea by boiling 1 teaspoon of seeds in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. Strain the liquid and enjoy. Fennel tea has a mild, pleasant taste and provides immediate warmth and relief for your stomach. 9th on our list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, a common ingredient in many households, is a versatile kitchen staple and a natural balancer supporting stomach health. While it may seem counterintuitive to use an acid to address acid reflux, apple cider vinegar balances the pH levels in the stomach, effectively improving reflux symptoms when used correctly. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which stimulates digestion by increasing stomach acid production. This helps food digest more quickly, reducing pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LOS, the main culprit behind acid reflux. However, diluting apple cider vinegar before use is crucial to avoid irritating the esophageal and stomach lining. Using apple cider vinegar is simple but requires caution. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with a cup of warm water, 240 milliliters, and sip slowly before meals to aid digestion. To enhance the taste, you can add a bit of honey, making it easier to drink while also adding soothing benefits for the stomach. Apple cider vinegar can also be incorporated into daily meals, such as in salad dressings or marinades for grilled dishes. However, avoid consuming apple cider vinegar in its undiluted form, as this can irritate the esophagus lining or damage tooth enamel. And finally, at the bottom of the list of herbs that help improve acid reflux is coconut water. Coconut water, a natural and nutrient-rich beverage, not only quenches your thirst, but also serves as a fantastic ally in soothing the stomach and balancing acid levels. With its light sweetness and easy drinkability, coconut water provides a refreshing sensation while easing discomfort caused by acid reflux. Naturally, alkaline and coconut water helps neutralize stomach acid, reducing symptoms like burning sensations in the esophagus. Additionally, it is rich in potassium and electrolytes, which aid in balancing the body's pH levels and promoting digestive health. Coconut water's hydrating properties also help reduce inflammation and soothe stomach linings irritated by acid reflux. Using coconut water is straightforward. You can enjoy a glass of fresh coconut water in the morning or after meals to feel its calming effects on your stomach. To enhance the flavor, consider adding a few drops of lemon or slices of ginger to combine the benefits of other natural ingredients. Coconut water can also be used as a base for smoothies, blended with fruits like bananas or pineapples, to create a delicious and digestion-friendly beverage. Though not as widely recognized as ginger or honey, coconut water remains a natural, refreshing, and accessible option for supporting stomach health. Try incorporating coconut water into your diet, and let this delightful drink bring ease and refreshment from within. From the gentle sweetness of honey and the fiery warmth of ginger to the refreshing coolness of coconut water, natural herbs not only help soothe the symptoms of acid reflux, but also provide long-term benefits for overall health. These saviors support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help balance stomach acid naturally, safely, and effortlessly. If you're seeking simple, easy-to-follow, and body-friendly solutions, try incorporating the herbs we've shared today. They improve stomach health and bring lightness and comfort to your daily life. Consider sharing this article with friends and family who might also benefit from these natural solutions for acid reflux. Leave a comment to let us know which herb you're most excited to try first, or share your experiences with these remedies. If you found this article helpful, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay updated with more health tips. Your support motivates us to continue delivering valuable content. Wishing you and your family good health and the joy of enjoying delicious meals without worrying about acid reflux. See you in our next article. Start taking care of your health today.